Hi everyone, this is Gliza, Made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in the Christmas in July 2019 collaboration being hosted by Becky from Painting the Roses Red and Cheryl from Miss Cheryl's Place. They asked that we either share a recipe, our favorite decor, tablescape, whatever we wanted to do, and of course, you know I had to do a DIY. So I'm going to share with you a affordable, fun DIY that you can do now, anytime these items are readily available in your stores. So first, you're going to need some seasonal fabric. This is from Walmart. It's $1.47 for a fat quarter. And these are the 3 prints that they currently have in stock, so I picked up one of those. You're gonna need a frame from the dollar store. I'm using this certificate size frame. I took that apart. And you're gonna need some ribbon and some Christmas decor. And you're also gonna need some wood letters, any kind, your choice, whatever phrase you want to put on here. So what we're gonna do, this is really simple. We're gonna take our frame apart, set that to the side, and we're gonna actually use the glass, because how many times do we do these DIYs and then we have these glass pieces lying around? So I'm actually gonna use my piece of glass. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take one of our fabric of our choice, we're gonna iron it out, and basically what we need to do is, especially with a print, we're gonna have to decide our direction. Do we want it to be vertical? Do we want it to be horizontal? Kind of decide your idea of how you want your fabric and whatever embellishments you're gonna put. And I call that fussy cutting. So I'm basically, what I did, I decided that I wanted to go this way. What is that called? Horizontally. So now, completely up to you. You don't need to add glue. You don't need to do anything else. You can just simply put the frame right back on it. Just make sure it's lined up the way you wanted the fabric to go. You know, I want to make sure I have at least one truck solid. So that's the one I'm focusing on, because the other directions are gonna go all different ways. So I think I like that. No glue, nothing. Now, if you wanted, we could take a drop of hot glue and, just put it down in the corners to make sure our fabric sticks once we decide, that's exactly where we wanted it to be. But you don't have to do that at all. We're gonna take our little cardboard piece and just make sure it's the right direction. So yes, that's my top. And we're gonna stick it back in. So easy. You didn't break a sweat yet, guys. You didn't even have to get the glue gun out. And we're just gonna make sure we secure that back. Now again, if you want something more permanent, you can definitely use your glue gun, use some Mod Podge, get that fabric stuck on there. I can change this out when I feel like, if I didn't like it, I can do whatever I wish with it. So that's it. Now, letters. You can buy a whole bag of letters for like $2. $1 from the dollar store. If you find them, they're always, my dollar store, they've run out and they haven't restocked them in a while. So you can get these from Walmart. They're like $2. I end up going with these letters. These were already painted in distress. They had the look I was going for, and these came from Walmart. They're 98 cents each. So we are gonna strategically place our letters onto our board. And this part we will glue down. So once you decide exactly where, now I kind of like things to be a little joy. It's a fun word. It shouldn't be in a straight line. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add it hot glue, get it into the placement where I want it. I think I want the O to go up a little bit, like so. Fun. And the Y. Just a little bit lower. Now, when I went into Walmart the other day, I happened to find on clearance ribbon, and so did my aunt and my mom, and they got me some. So this is a ribbon that my aunt and mom picked up for me, and this is some that I picked up. So we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a bow. Now, you don't have to make a bow, you can just leave this completely as is and use it as decor, just like that. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna make a simple bow, and this is some dollar store greenery that Christmas greenery that I've already pulled apart some of it, as you can see. So I'm gonna use some of this along with a bow to decorate my sign. Now, how do I make bows? Let's see, I do the simple way to two the same type. So let's see, I want that much down, and I want my bow to be small but poofy. So I'm just gonna make loops, making sure my ribbon is aligning properly. Again, just lining them up. And it helps if you unroll the ribbon. So that's 3. And it definitely helps to use wire edge ribbon for making these type of bows. Numbers look better, I guess, than the even. You'll have one in the middle. So once we have 5 loops, I'm gonna cut off the extra because I don't like I don't like having stuff hanging around. So let me grab my scissors, and I'm gonna say right about there. And we'll clean up the ends. And once I have that, I'm just gonna bunch it all together. Use a chenille stem. Wrap it around. Make sure it's as tight as I can get it. And then basically we start to pull our bow apart. I like to alternate with this style. And I think I like how that looks. So we're going to add that onto the top of our sign. Make sure I don't want to cover my little red truck. I want to make sure my red truck gets seen. Perhaps we do it on the corner. Perhaps we do it on the bottom. I actually kind of like